ሰላም ከመይ ትኾኑ ከመይ ትኾና Hello, I'm Mesfin. Welcome to reading Tigrinya lessons. Lesson 11. In the lesson 10, we have learned the letters Ha, Te, Che, Ve, Je. In this lesson 11, we will learn 5 more letters, and we call those letters labiovillars. Que, 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 hue, gue. Que, hue, que, hue, gue. According to the IPA, those letters are explained with those alphabets. Que, hue, que, hue, gue. The labiovillars are formed only with 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other Ge'ez letters are formed by 7 rows. Let us read those letters. Gue, gui, gua, gue, gu. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Hue, hui, hua, hue, hue. Gue, gui, gua, gue, gue. Here we can see how we add the appendage to those letters. Here are marked with red, or here are explained in this row. Gue, gui, gua, gue, gue. Here is the similarity with some English word. Que, like question. Qui, like queen. Qua, like quality. Gue, like language. Gui, like linguist. Gua, like Guatemala. Gue, like gorilla. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Hue, hui, hua, hue, que. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Hue, hui, hua, hue, que. Gue, gui, gua, gue, gue. Que, 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 hue, gue. Labialization is a secondary articulatory feature of sounds. Here we can see how we form the letter que, 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 hue, and gue. In this letter there are 2 letters, ke and we. In this letter, ke and we. Here, ke and we, he and we, ge and we. Then we have que, hue, que, hue, gue. que, qui, qua, que, que. Let us take some words with those letters. For example, qua, it means language. In these three letters or the two letters, there is the addition of k plus wa plus n plus k plus wa. Qua, language. Gual, girl. Ku'so, ball. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Que, qui, qua, que, que. Hue, hui, hua, hue, hue. Gue, gui, gua, gue, gue. Here are the letters with hard pronunciation in Tigrinya. Ha, ke, ke, te, che, a, pe, tse, je, ke, que, hue, que, hue, gue. If you want to write those letters, you can use also the homepage Lex Logos. Here is the link for that website. You have to choose the language Tigrinya, select a language. Some words with those hard letters or heavy pronunciation. Ha, harmaz. Ke, kalem. Khe, maqaz. Ke, kelbi. Khe, kohob. Ge, gemel. Que, qol'a. Que, que, ku'so. Que, quach. Gue, gual. A, asa. Je, television. Te, ጠርሙዝ. ጨ፣ ጨው። ጰ፣ ጳጳስ። ጸ፣ ፀሐይ። The basic alphabet contains 37 letters in Tigrinya, but we have 3 more here. Se, ha, and tse. This belongs auch to Ge'ez alphabet, but in the modern Tigrinya are not so much used. Ha, le, ha, me, re, se, she, ke, che, be, ve, te, che, ne, nye, a, ke, che, we, a, ze, je, ye, de, je, ge, te, che, pe, tse, fe, pe. And here are the labiovelars. And the 7 rows are, for example, ha, ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. And then we have almost or about 149 letters. Here are some words with the labiovelars. Gue, Godaif. There's a discrete in Asmara city. Que, Kol'a. Que, Kolqual. Que, Ku'so. Que, Quach. Que, Nkur'ob. Que, Nkaqho. قوي كوي كحلي كوي مخوان قدايف قلعة قلقوال كعسو كواخ عنقرعوب عنقاقحو كحلي مخوان. I know those are very difficult letters and many Eritreans make also a mistake writing these words. Let us read some more letters. Kulu, Kunchi, Kwach, Tsahai, Kuhli, Kuuso, Kuuso agree, Agdo, Kutri, Mukhwan, Tukhwan, Guanti, Chow, Quarenti, Kelem, Maqaz, Kohob, Termuz, Harmaz, Television, Kolkwal, Nkroob, Nkwa, Nkaqoho. Until this point, we have learned the letters B, C, Sh, Z, K, H, L, A, G, N, N, T, Ch, K, H, Y, H, P, R, F, M, W, H, A, C, D, J, P, C, H, T, Ch, V, J. The labivalves que, que, gue. And if is somebody interested about the Ge'ez numbers, here are how we write it. Que, qui, qua, que, que. 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 Gue, gui, gua, gue, gue. Thank you for watching and subscribe to be updated with the lessons.